Hey Millville families, it's Mrs. Crane, first grade at Silver Run. Big shout out to my Room 108 friends. Love and miss you so much. Today I want to show you what you can do with an egg carton to make something fun and educational at the same time. In my classroom, we call them number generators, and we need three things to make them. We need a clean egg carton, a permanent marker, and 2 or 3 small objects. For my objects, I used either jelly beans or I had some small seashells that I had put in a little jar. So jelly beans work fine, small seashells work fine. You can use pennies or buttons. I'm sure maybe you've done these before, but easy little thing. First thing you're gonna need is that clean egg carton. I just make sure that they're washed out and don't have any egg debris or anything in them. So take that permanent marker and I simply put numbers in the bottom. So if I'm working with a preschooler, I might do this for number recognition. Also for my kindergarten student, for first grade, second grade, third grade, I could put my numbers in there. I usually just do 1 digit. You'll see that I did put a 2-digit 10 in here. And I did that because my students are working on numbers, addition and subtraction within 20. And they love to add with a 10. So 10s are kind of fun. I also put 2 5s in there. They love 5s, and 2 2s because I had an extra hole. So fill your numbers with holes. I just did them randomly. It doesn't really matter. Put your counters in. So I start my students off with 2, and they do this in the center with another partner. They open it up and they add the 2. Well, both of my shells ended in the number 4. So my students would say, oh, I got a double fact. And they would say 4 plus 4 is 8. They could also do the subtraction. 8 minus 4 is 4. I'll do another one. Hopefully I don't get a double, so I can show you how I can do the 4 addition and subtraction facts. So this time I got a 6 and 3. So I would say 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. I did the opposite one. All right, so that was my little fact family. To step it up for grades 3 and up, I could multiply them. So 6 times 3, 18. 3 times 6, 18. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. I could also make it a little harder, throw it in a jelly bean. Now I have 3 numbers that I will add, subtract, or multiply. And my hand loves to go down to that 1 and 4. I have 4, 4, and 1. So I could either multiply. 4 times 4 is 16. Times the 1, still 16. That is really stepping it up, making it a little harder. Or my addition and subtraction for my K1 and 2 students, 4 and 4 is 8, and 1 more is 9. And again, just subtraction. Another suggestion is take it, put some alphabet letters in there. Same idea. It could either be letter recognition, if the child shakes it. This time I would just use 1 counter. 1 counter's in there, shake it up, make it fun. I got the letter A. So the kindergarten, first, second grade know their letter skills. They could say, ooh, A, apple, A, or they could say, let's think of some words that start with A, and maybe you can go back and forth and say alligator, airplane, and see how many letters you can get, or how many words you can get that start with that letter. Just an idea of what you could do for preschool K1 and 2. Hope you learned something. Hope you have fun. Also hope to see you soon. Bye.